Now let's create automatic discounts. So under discounts, select automatic discounts and create discount. And here you can add a title and customers will see it at the checkout. However, it will be automatically applied. Let's say we want to create discount called May Day sale, and then you can specify whether it will be percentage, fixed amount, or buy two get one free, or other specific number. The same as with the manual discount. What kind of value? Let's say 25%. Let's be generous with this one, and then specify exactly the same as with the previous discount, whether entire order, specific collections, or only specific products, whether it's minimum order that triggers discount or minimum quantity of items. So let's say that we want to only apply it if someone buys at least 3 items, and we can, let's say, start it on the 1st of May and we can end it, well, let's put 8 a.m. and let's end it end of my bank holiday, so 4th of May. Yeah, end of Monday, so it will be like a long weekend discount. It will end by the end of this period. This discount will be automatically applied in the cart. It will give your customers 25% off. They won't need to use any code to do that. They will just simply have to purchase at least 3 of your items between 1st of May and 4th of May. And if you like it, simply click save.